Welcome back to TV5 News at 9. Today we are talking about leg health in women with the Center for Vein Restoration. Joining us to tell us more this morning is Laura Scott. Thank you so much for being here, Laura. We appreciate it.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Good morning. I think this is such a hot topic with women. We all think about this all the time. What causes varicose veins, Laura?
Well, varicose veins develop when the valves within the veins stop working effectively. So instead of helping to return the blood to the heart, they allow blood to pool within the veins. And that causes the veins to stretch out and become ropey and varicose under the skin.
Now,
so
Laura,
that can lead to pain and swelling.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. You know what? And you hear a lot about pregnancy and your lifestyle choices. How do those things impact varicose veins?
So the weight gain in pregnancy, as well as the female hormones, can really contribute to the development of varicose veins. And as the pregnancy progresses and more weight is gained, that's even more pressure on those veins, causing them to stretch out and become more prominent. And of course, with successive pregnancies, they just tend to worsen. With a lot of sitting or standing, if your job requires long periods of standing on cement or even sitting behind a desk, that can put pressure on those valves within the vein and cause them to fail over time.
So the big
question,
are there some more lifestyle choices or some things that can actually impact varicose veins as well, besides sitting, standing? Mm-hmm.
We do see more problems with varicose veins in people who are overweight. But conversely, athletes, runners, or weightlifters also are prone to develop varicose veins. They do have a tendency to run in families, and there can be problems with varicose veins after injuring your legs or having surgeries.
Now, there has to be some type of treatment, an easy treatment option that's out there.
Absolutely. Our office offers the full spectrum of treatments for varicose veins, from small spider veins that are just unsightly to the larger ropey varicose veins. All of these procedures are done in our office, and they're minimally invasive with minimal downtime. We get you right back on your feet very quickly.
Laura, I have to ask you, if someone's apprehensive about doing this, what would you say about the treatment?
You know, most people are a little apprehensive. They don't know what to expect with an in-office procedure. So we like to explain the procedure in depth prior to the patient so there aren't any unanswered questions. And then we just walk them through the procedure every step of the way. And almost everyone says afterwards it was not as bad as what they thought. So everyone does really well.
Oh, that's great to know. And is this covered by insurance, Laura?
Most insurances will cover varicose vein treatments depending on the severity of the problem. So our office staff will help with those specifics prior to the treatments.
So what else should people know about varicose veins that you'd like to let us know this morning?
Well, we do offer free vein screening. So if you have some questions, if you're not sure if the symptoms you're feeling in your legs are attributable to the veins, you can just call and make an appointment, and we can do a quick evaluation and let you know what's happening with the veins.
Love it. So there is help that's available. Thank you for this valuable information. We appreciate that. Center for Vein Restoration, Laura Scott. Thank you for joining us, Laura.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And for more information about this topic, just head on over to the Hot Link section of WNEM.com.